Vectric Aspire versus VCarve Pro. Let's get started. So I start with Vectric. Vectric Aspire is a premium CNC software built for 3D design, sculpting, and carving. It includes all the features of VCarve Pro plus the full 3D modeling capabilities. Now let's talk about its pros. So it has all the VCarve Pro features. Everything you see here is available in the Aspire, although it's much more expensive. It also has a full 3D modeling and sculpting. It supports custom 3D reliefs and component building. It is ideal for furniture art, detailed carvings, and it can import and edit STL and OBJ files. Now, next we have is the VCarve Pro. Now, VCarve Pro offers you a solid 2D and 2.5D signs, inlays, cabinetry, and engraving. You can also have it for cheaper. So instead of buying and paying for this full price, you can just get the VCarve Pro instead. So it is $699 for one time, and this is the cheapest one promo. Now it is easy for beginners. It can support and import STL files for simple toolpaths, and is upgradable to Aspire later. So even though you don't want to buy this, you can upgrade to this feature right here after you buy this. So if you want to create a high detail 3D carving, relief, and artistic furniture, then choose Aspire. And if you want, mainly need 2D and 2.5D tools, toolpaths, and science parts and routing jobs, it's more than enough for you to use VCarve Pro.